guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Samsung Soundbar C450 Soundbar. This is 2.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer, DTS Visual X. This soundbar is bass boost, Adaptive Sound Lite, game mode. Can hook this soundbar to your TV via Bluetooth optical cable. When we open this soundbar up, we're going to find out if we can hook it up via HDMI cable. This is wireless surround sound compatibility. So we're going to check it out, see what is inside, and I hope this will help you to make informed choice about this gear. This soundbar is with Dolby Audio. Here we go. This is the subwoofer here, and information pack, power cable, battery. Is using AAA battery for the remote, and remote included in the packaging, and also wall mount. This is the soundbar here. Nice, very light. Nice packaging. This is very light. Here we go. So the top is formica, is wood, and the front is cloth. So black clothing in front of it. Very nice, very slim. Dolby Audio DTS 2.1 channel. See what it looks like. This is the subwoofer here. Beautiful. This is the subwoofer. So this is the manual remote control included in the packaging. This is the remote, Samsung remote. Power cables. So one is for the subwoofer and one is for the soundbar and wall mount, and also the battery. and the battery, triple A battery. So optical cable and HDMI cable not included in the packaging. So this is the subwoofer. This is what we have here. This is the subwoofer and remote control. Power cables. So 2 power cables included. One is for the subwoofer and one is for the soundbar. And this is the wall mount and the battery and information pack. So optical cable and HDMI cable not included in the packaging. So this is what is in the box. So we're going to measure this soundbar from this end. So this end is 86 centimeter length, 86 centimeter. The width is 8 centimeter width. Now subwoofer is 8.8 centimeter. Okay, and the front, from the front to the back, is 30 centimeter. Then from this angle, the height 34.5 centimeter. Okay, and so the power cable goes in here where it's written power. Now this end you have digital audio in and USB. So the port digital audio in for optical cable and USB port and the power cable. Okay, so you can connect this with HDMI cable. You can connect it via optical cable and Bluetooth. Okay, and USB. Now I'm going to show you how to set this up. First of all, what we need to do is you need to put the battery, okay, inside the remote control. So we have the triple A battery is what it's using. Okay, so take the negative to the negative end and positive, okay, to the end where it's supposed to be. So okay, now push this up. Okay, this is the remote. And this is the power cable. We take this cable, plug it, okay, to the back of the subwoofer, push it in. If you want to reset this subwoofer, you need to press this button here for you to reset it for 5 seconds. Then take this end and plug it on to the power, and you can see, okay, so you can see the blue light is flashing. It's not yet paired. Once it's connected, it should be a steady blue light. This power cable goes to the power. So push it inside to the power and plug it on to the socket. This soundbar, you can also control it from the top. So this button here on the top is for you to switch it on. The minus is for you to decrease the volume. The plus is for you to increase the volume. This button here is input for you to select optical or USB or Bluetooth. You switch this soundbar on and off from here. This button here is the input. Use this button to select Bluetooth or optical cable or USB. When you select Bluetooth, then you select pair for the soundbar to be in Bluetooth pairing mode. This button here, the center one, is pause and play. And this audio now is pause. If you want to resume it again, you select again. Okay. And This is up and down button here. This button here is mute the audio. It's mute. If you want to start it again, then you cancel the mute. Okay, and it will show you the volume. It's currently in volume 3. Now this button here is for you to increase and decrease the volume. So after the mute, if you increase the volume, you see the number, it will display. So this is volume 8. Then press the button downwards to decrease the volume. This button here is information button. Once you press this button, it will show you the connection. I will show you the BT or how the soundbar is connected. And also, if you select it now, it will it's showing us laptop. It will show you the laptop number that this soundbar is connected via laptop. If you press this information button, the center one is sound mode. This is bass boost currently. So if you change it, this is standard, and this is channel level, visual center. If you select visual center, then you need to use up and down to control it or to select the specific function you want. So this is the sound control button or sound control setting. This one with gear. When press this button, you see voice enhancement. If you press it again, it will show you night mode. So you can adjust it accordingly. Night mode is on. If you select it, night mode is off. So this button here is for you to select voice and night mode. This button here is for you to select, this is tone control. If you select tone, it will show you treble. Then you use up to increase it or down to decrease it. It's showing us now it's decreased to 3. If you increase it now, you go to +6 maximum. If you select it again, tone control, select it again, it goes to bass. Then you select up, it goes to bass plus. So the maximum for bass is +6. So this is the remote control, how it works. This is Samsung C450 Soundbar with wireless subwoofer. It's currently connected to this TV, LG TV, with optical cable. This soundbar can connect it, like I mentioned earlier, to TV via Bluetooth and optical cable. What I want to do now is to show you how to connect this soundbar to TV via Bluetooth. So this is the audio currently. This is the audio with optical cable. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is to switch everything off and switch the soundbar off. Unplug the optical cable. So this is the optical cable. Okay, so we want to connect this via Bluetooth. Switch the soundbar on. Once you switch it on, it will show you hello, and it's currently showing us digital audio in. You need to use the input to select BT. It's showing us BT, then you select pair. Once you select BT, then you select pair. It will be in BT pairing mode. Now we need to switch the TV on. And this TV now, okay, is currently in optical mode. So we need to go to the settings. So go to your TV settings. Once you're at TV setting, you need to scroll down to the sound. Scroll to the sound. It's showing us now optical out device. Select on the sound, then go to BT, Bluetooth device. Scroll down to the device list and select enter. It will start to look for available device. So it's searching for available Bluetooth device. And this soundbar is Samsung Soundbar C400 series. You picked it up, so select on it. It's connecting. It's connected. So this is the audio. And when it's in Bluetooth mode, you can control the volume using the 2 remote control, using TV remote control. Likewise, using the soundbar remote control. Do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. This is how to connect this to your TV via Bluetooth and information regarding the remote control. Thank you, and step.